There has been evidence that if you deploy a lot of capital in the consumer space, you can leave your competitors behind, and over time, you will turn that business more profitable as you grow. Hasn't worked out in every industry. Hasn't worked out in ride-hailing, for example, around the world. Hasn't worked out in, I guess, in the take long-term leases up front and then make money on a day-by-day basis business. Money in the right hands, right founders, right potential long-term platforms works, but it doesn't work willy-nilly on every pet walking and hotel room renting website.
That was former Softbank exec and current Palo Alto Network CEO Nikesh Arora throwing a little shade at his former firm's investment strategy, sitting down with John last week from CNBC's Tech Executive Council Summit. Softbank reporting a $9 billion hit this quarter due to its investments in Uber, WeWork, Slack, and others. Deirdre Bosa has more on those results from San Francisco. Deirdre.
Morgan, Masa-san sounding humbled, but still defiant. He admitted that his investment judgment has been poor, calling out Uber and WeWork and saying that he misjudged Adam Neumann.
I overestimated Adam's good side, which I should have known better and more. And his negative side, in many cases, I turned blind-eyed, especially when it comes to governance.
Now, he also said that Softbank has experience with difficult turnarounds, though one of its most high-profile, Sprint, was recently called an unmitigated disaster by Wall Street analysts. Now, Masa-san touted gains from other investments like Slack and Guardant Health, and he promised no more rescues for Vision Fund portfolio companies. Yet, when asked if there could be other potential WeWorks in the Vision Fund universe, Masa said this.
Is there any other similar concern? In fact, yes, there is. Like a dog walking company and other portfolio companies, we may see similar problems surfacing.
Now, he's referring to Wag, the dog walking app that is reportedly up for sale, but questions are also swirling about the valuations and losses of other Vision Fund-backed unicorns like car leasing startup Fair and Chinese ride-sharing giant Didi, just as Uber, another big Softbank bet, continues to flounder as a public company. Now, the hit to Softbank's bottom line and Masa-san's reputation as a VC investor, that comes at a critical time, just as he's trying to raise a second $100 billion Vision Fund. Now, he provided a few details on it this morning, but he said that it was on track and they put a greater focus on corporate governance. Probably the least they can do, guys.